Hello and welcome to the Clarion Energy Studio here in Kuala Lumpur, where we're about to discuss the evolving role of utilities. Welcome, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.
TNB is Malaysia's biggest, most established utility, but you're looking to develop it out of the confines of what would have been seen as the traditional utility. I wonder if you could explain what you're hoping to achieve and why you chose to do that.
All right, Tenaga Nasional has been, like most utilities for the last 70 years, we have been in the business of being a VIU, vertically integrated utility. About 4 or 5 years ago, we looked at the market trying to plan our future. We realized that things have changed a lot, right? Basically on the DER front, right, and distributed energy resources. Generally being gridlocked, that there was not much generation being done here. Since 2010, the load growth has gone down from 4+%. We used to tag with the GDP. Presently it's coming to 1.2, 1.5%. We're wondering what is it that we need to do. We saw a big space in the beyond meter space. We call it beyond kilowatt. And at that same time, we were working towards a lot of things were happening in the digital space. So there were talks on digitization, decarbonization, and there was a big pool of guys asking us to move away from being the VIU, so democratization of the grid. And that's the time we worked on starting up this company called TNB, where the meter stops, and X to go beyond it. Right.
And so what type of areas are you looking to develop with TNBX?
On TNBX, presently TNBX is looking towards two sides of it. One is on the supply side. We're working towards only on solar at this point of time. Working with customers with a contract that we work out with the government, where we get the utility to build the customer. We put in assets on the customer's roof, and we create generation on the customer's side of work. One, going green. Two, reducing the customer's average energy bill. On the demand side, we have also created renewable energy certificates. Working with APX on Tiger's platform. These certificates allow customers who have invested into green solar to actually recognize it internationally. A lot of RE100 companies, customers of ours locally, have requested us wanting to get these renewable energy certifications as they internationally pledge themselves to be RE100. So assisting them on that side. Also on the demand side, we have actually recently embarked on EV charging. I call it green EV charging because everyone has this thing that when we need to start putting in EVs on the road, you're creating more generation upstream. By introducing green EV, retiring RECs along with total consumption on EV cars, we hope to create the balance.
And electric vehicles is a nascent market here in Malaysia at the moment. So presumably you're looking at the infrastructure involved there as well, the charging infrastructure.
Presently, I think the challenge has been with respect to getting government support. Right, government seems to be having various initiatives, looking at how the model should be, what needs to be put in place, and TNBX is assisting the government very much with respect to finding out what are the key drivers that will get EV moving. One of it is definitely the cost of energy. Right, presently our fuel seems to be a big challenge to us. Fuel is about 280 per liter. That doesn't seem to help very much with respect to doing a business case for the average customer. But other business models have appeared. Customers like to go towards what Go-Car is doing, car rental. Now they're offering them EV car rentals. So that kind of business models. You have Grab Taxi. So there are customers looking, there are businesses trying to get a taxi that is EV. So these different models will definitely drive it to a certain direction until we get a mass market.
Well, we wish you a lot of success with your business plan and look forward to hearing about it in the coming years.
Definitely.
That's all for now. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more fantastic content.